Welcome back, guys. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to connect Pipedrive with Gmail using Integrately. Perfect for automatically sending or logging emails based on your deals. First, head over to integrately.com, then log into your Integrately account. To get started, search for and select Pipedrive as your first app, and then search for and choose Gmail as your second. Next, build your custom automation. Set the trigger to Deal is created in Pipedrive and the action to Send email in Gmail, then click Go. First, connect your Pipedrive account by signing in. Then connect your Gmail account to authorize the connection. In the Automation Builder, map the To Email Address field using the email data from your new Pipedrive deal. Finally, click the Test and Turn On toggle to activate your automation. You will see a confirmation that your process is live. And we're done. Pipedrive to Gmail all set with Integrately. Be sure to like, subscribe, and check the description link to try it yourself. And we're done.